Tekubwata inse imeyense ya Kenya bono orogongo rwa Gusii ndoratigwa magega. Ime county ya Kisii asensemo ye bunge ya South Mugirango nigo rituko rya rero omuraiwe kiama gya ODM Raila Odinga achakia bene omusingi bwo guchakia obwagachi bwe factory yesukari asensemo ya Nyangweta aseboigo aigora enyagitari ya Nduru level 4 omoyega oyo oragwa no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii James Ongwae gatia bali abaikirana ngamona omokonyo ya Raila Madakarua Peter Kenneth Peter Munya omosies bwa agriculture omugavana okisumu Anyang' Nyong'o oyo kobolya ekerogo ky'obugavana bwe county ya Kisii Chris Obure ne timu yae Mason Oyongo kurwe kiama gya Kensi ne timu yae oyo kobolya ekerogo ky'abangina Janet Ongera gati yabande abange.
Excellency, this factory, the idea of this factory started when I looked for elections. When I came here and the people of South Mugirango, I saw the way they liked me. But I saw the problem that they had with sugar. At that time, I made it my business to ensure that I am able to help them out of this problem.
Hii ni mfano mzuri sana ambayo inaiga mwelekeo zetu. Juzi mliona tukizindua ile mwongozo wetu Nairobi. Tukaona kwamba tunataka kujenga viwanda katika taifa letu. Tumesema industrialization is the way to go for our country Kenya.
Sekta ya sukari ni muhimu sana kwa uchumi wa Nyanza na Western Kenya. Inputs, ile vitu inatumika kwa kilimo na hasa kilimo ya miwa, bei itangharamiwa ndio iteremuke, wakulima waweze kulima zaidi, na tunajua tukitazama mipango ile iko tunaweza kulima sukari ya kutosha hapa Kenya, tusiwe tunanunua kutoka nje. Tunaweza tukiweka ile mikakati imepangwa kwa kilimo na ile baba ako naye.
Chinga kechecho nigo omo investor boigo akwanera igoro ya factory yo nekyo erachigo konya korosia aseboigo ateba alia erachigo konya abamenyi amonense ya Kenya ase ensemo yenibo.
To grow sugarcane, which is a rolling period of 24 months. As such, we aim to start production by the end of 2024, starting with a capacity of 1,250 tons of cane per day. We will rapidly expand to 5,000 tons of cane per day, producing sugar, electricity, ethanol, bagasse, molasses, and other products. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, in addition to that, we shall support the setting up of other agricultural-based industries. We will work with the Kenya Research Institute in order to promote varieties of sugarcane and work with farmers to increase the yield of sugarcane from the present 70 tons of cane per hectare to 150 tons per hectare. This will benefit over 20,000 families, resulting in a sea change in income levels of the majority of the 1.2 million inhabitants of Kisii County. The annual income of farmers of Kisii at the factory's full production capacity of 5,000 tons of cane per day will be over 7 billion shillings per year.
Omokonyi bwo muraiwe kiama gya ODM omoswati Madakarua nere nigo akwanera igoro ya nyagitari yo ya igoro bene ya Nduru level 4 iliogo chiagokonya abamenyi benseme yo ase Raila nere ateba mbuya ase egasi omugavana bwe county ya Kisii James Ongwae akolire.
So when I came here and found that the hostel here had only 20 beds, and looking at the environment that it was serving, right, some of the people were coming from Migori. They didn't even have a doctor here. They didn't even have specialists. Now we have enough doctors and specialists. In this hostel itself, we are going to have more than 4 specialists. So, Your Excellency, we have put up a 100-bed unit. It is a turnkey project. Some of the equipment have not come, but all the beds have come, and a number of other things have come. But we are happy you've come here, Your Excellency, because in the next 2 months, when you are the President of the Republic of Kenya, The first place that we are going to ask you to come and help is in South Mugirango in Nduru.
Waswahili wanasema tukawia ufike. Manake tulikuwa tumeenda huko chini kuzindua mradi ingine ya sukari. Sasa Governor Ngoya niambia ati amejenga hospitali hapa Nyamarambe ambaye amesema ni ya kisasa kabisa, nije nishuhudie nione na macho yangu. Na nimeona na nimeridhika kama amefanya kazi ya kingwana.
Kuona hii hospitali ambayo itakuwa ikimpatia huduma, ikipatia wamama, watoto na hata wababa. Na wamama mwaka huu mnaona Baba the Fifth ametukumbuka. Hatujakaribia vile tumekaribia. Mtatushikilia.
Niko litukolia lero umuraiwe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga metaro yaye asorongoro Gusii anyale ko baga ko igora factory bene gusuguchakia factory yo gutukorosia embassy asabo iganyale ko baga ko igora enyagitari asensemo ya Nduru asabo igo anyale ko baga ko nabo menyi ba South Mugirango yo kugandereria neganga yaye yo kulia ekirogo kyubarai bwense ya Kenya asa kulia ekirogo kyo kotera asekia magia ODM bai erinde abo murai